On the enrollment form. This is only accessible by the school administrator. The administrator would navigate to the left-hand menu under Administration and click on Enrollment. Once you access this page, you're going to see the four little colored tabs at the top. This will indicate if you've got a new applicant, if they've been waitlisted, if they're successful, and then if unsuccessful. You can also move that applicant straight into a classroom. I'll just show you how that works quick. So you click on Apply Changes, and then you would choose the grade or the class, and you click Save, and that child will automatically move straight into the classroom. So let's dive straight into this exciting module. This is obviously the home page. You can click on the link to view the child's profile, so you can just check them out. You can view the parent's signature. And then if you want, you can print the application form, save it as a PDF, or delete it if you want. You can also see the gender, the age, date of application. You could write a comment here like waiting for deposit. And you also have the ability here for quick actions as well. We are going to be adding a new one here called templates, which lets you actually email through a template or an email to that parent. For example, letters of approval, acknowledgement, invoices, deposits. So that'll be everything condensed into one neat system for you. So this will be added in the next couple of weeks. If you click on the menu button, top right-hand corner, you are able to preview your report card. Your enrollment form. So just to reiterate that this is only for new parents wanting to join the school. This is not for existing parents. This is for parents wanting their child to join your school. This is an example of the application form. And if there are certain things that you want to hide, you can literally click on the Edit Form button, and you can go ahead and turn certain fields on and off. So for example, I don't want to ask the student's email or mobile because they're too young, so I can turn those off. You have the ability to add your early care, start times and end times, your half day, your full day, and if you have lunch. So if you don't offer lunch at the school, you can just turn it off. If you have a full day, you can put the times in. So you might, obviously, if you're doing a half day, you may not have a full day, so you can turn that off. You also have the ability to upload documents. So, for example, these are my enrollment form documents, my terms and conditions, my indemnity form. We give you space to upload 4 of them. You can view them, you can edit them, you can delete them. This is going to appear, I'm going to show you shortly, this is going to appear at the bottom of your parents' enrollment form for them to view and download, and then they are going to digitally sign the enrollment form, which I'll show you in the next couple of minutes. The share form button is quite useful because this lets you actually copy this link. You just click this button here. That is going to let you copy this link and paste it in an email to the parent and share it with them, the new parent wanting to join. Alternatively, you can actually generate an Enroll Now button on your school's website by copying this HTML code and getting your website developer to paste that onto your school's website. I'll just show you briefly what it would look like if I just copied that link and embedded that as a hyperlink in my website. So there it is. This is our school's website. The parent would then click on the enrollment button, and they'd be able to fill in the application form, and that then would come through. What is important here is that the administrator will get an email notifying them of a new application. Okay, so I have filled out a dummy application form. You'll see I've got term 2 2022. The child is Chris Rock. So I'm the parent. I've been filling in my application form. I can notify the school of any emotional conditions, dietary requirements, if there's any siblings, any previous school. I have the ability to turn parent 2 off or on. So I'll just sit back there quickly. If I go into the Edit Form button, there was a parent 2 compulsory. So if you make this compulsory, they're going to have to fill out all the details for parent 2. But if you don't make it compulsory, what that does is when you get down to parent 2 over here, sorry, where is my enrollment form? There we go. It basically then says, would you like to add a second parent? No, because they're absent. No, they're deceased. Or yes. And then if you click yes, it's going to basically populate. I'll just show you what that does. It's going to populate and preload all the information for parent 2. But in this instance, I'm just going to say no, parent 2 is absent. Other contacts, doctors' names, approved pickups. You've got your daily options that we predefined on the edit page. And then you've got, this is an important one for the parents. So do I, as the parent, consent to my child appearing in all school-related media, yes or no? If you tick no, when the teacher or the administrator tries to upload a photograph of that child, the system will automatically warn you that the parent has not given consent. The parent will then upload the child's profile photo. So that's the child. So let's just click open. Letter of motivation. Student's unabridged birth certificate. Let's just go ahead and upload that. Parent 1's ID or passport. Upload that. And then let's just get the proof of address in here as well. So let's just search that one. Now we're going to click continue. And this is where it's, sorry, we've got to upload. Let me just quickly just choose a file for that. We are going to click submit, which you've just done. Is going to automatically show the parent your terms and conditions indemnity form. Remember, we actually uploaded these on this page over here under the menu button under documents. These are the files that we uploaded. So these are the ones that your school is going to add to the system. So when the parent is downloading it, they can click on that terms and enrollment. So you can just ignore that. But they are going to appear on this page here for you to view. And then the parent's going to digitally sign it, and they're going to click submit application. It's going to give you a message, thank you for your application. Please contact the school directly if you have not had a response within the next 7 days. So if I go now into my applications folder, I'm going to see that applicant. I'm also going to get an email to notify me that there is a new applicant, so I don't miss it. So I've got one new applicant, which is Chris. I've got one waitlisted, which is Tessa. I can mark them as successful, which means that they've now been accepted into the school, but they still kind of waitlisted. Unsuccessful means that they're going to be notified, the parent will be notified that unfortunately the class is full. And then waitlisted, class may be full, but you may want to move them at a later time into a classroom. And that is pretty much it. So yeah, if you've got any questions, you can email support@childcloud.co.za. And just remember to add the share form button to your school's website so that parents can easily download and complete the application form.